Welcome to our journey into the heart of nature. Today we're exploring the enchanting world of forest home designs. Imagine living in a home surrounded by the beauty and tranquility of the forest. Let's dive in. Our first design showcases a stunning exterior that blends seamlessly with its natural surroundings. The use of wood and stone creates a harmonious balance with the forest, giving the home a rustic yet modern feel. Large windows are a key feature in forest home design. They not only provide breathtaking views but also flood the interior with natural light, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Open living spaces are another hallmark of forest homes. This design allows for easy movement and a sense of freedom, with the living room, dining area, and kitchen flowing effortlessly into one another. Natural materials such as wood, stone, and bamboo are extensively used in forest home interiors. These materials not only enhance the aesthetic appeal, but also promote sustainability and a connection to nature. Outdoor living areas are an extension of the home, offering a perfect spot to relax and enjoy the serene forest surroundings. Whether it's a spacious deck or a cozy patio, these spaces are designed for comfort and relaxation. Forest homes often incorporate eco-friendly features, such as solar panels, rainwater harvesting systems, and green roofs. These elements not only reduce the environmental impact, but also enhance the home's efficiency. Imagine waking up to the sight of towering trees and the sound of birdsong. Bedrooms in forest homes are designed to maximize views and create a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Forest homes offer a unique blend of modern living and natural beauty. They provide a sanctuary where one can escape the stresses of modern life and reconnect with nature. Thank you for joining us on this journey through forest home designs. We hope you feel inspired to bring a piece of the forest into your own home. Please subscribe our channel. Give me your support for making more interesting videos.